Baby Ro, stop it. Oh, Baby Ro's nose. What are you doing? It's not at all focused on your face. It's focused on his eyeball. It's focused on his eyeball. Rohan and Abby ready to get brushed under their blankies because it's a good thing to do. I don't need a fucking reason for anyone. So many little straps. Camera's like dead. Rohan, after grooming, all clean. And jaw brush. And it's all clean. And bite. God, you're cute.